Alright, let's the fun ends. Let's the fun ends. I cannot say begin, kinda after the word fun. I mean, one of the silly t-shirts says why programming is fun? Because it deals with functions. I mean, fun is part of the functions. And he started laughing alone. And the class was so silent that even if there were crickets, they would shut up at that moment. It was so awkward. Anyway, why did I remember that moment? Hmm. Hmm. So we were dealing with the um, microsystem. Where can I replace my notes, having scripts everywhere, and try to bash them up? To use the tool to bash them up easily. Well, the point is not easily. It might be easier, not bad, even after I finish this. But the point is to make it more third party friendly, because I'm planning to hire some suckers. I mean, some people to do my job, to write the scripts, because I'm getting sick of making 600 fucking scripts while dealing with the engine, while dealing with the game, while dealing with the graphics, while dealing with. I mean, I was planning to batch up some image for some features that they implemented on the pinball components, and because the names, especially there's no Arabic names, I'm trying to make Arabic names for them. So actually, this is just a leftover in here in the desktop since forever, and I haven't done anything. And if my computer decides to update and it closes this page, I will lose it, just like that. Um, it is just a way to make scripts for anything, but for now I'm trying to focus on scripts for the cutscenes because I'm having a very hard time. It's December already, work the day, which is yesterday, and I'm planning to go back and record my freaking progress because I left the progress the last month unregistered because I was so sick and tired, and it was in a way. Every time I think, oh, I need to do 6 hours today, I never work. So I start working without thinking about the time and thing, and there you go, 1 month. No record at all. I got 1 week free. I done nothing in 1 week and 2 days. Some days I done 4 hours, some days I done 2 hours, some days I made 10 minutes. I never hit 7 hours except once in the whole month. So enough is enough. I'll try to go back and try to record the tasks. I didn't record the tasks as well. I kept them in here. I try to keep the list as small as possible. And I kept the tasks in here. So we have few issues left. The panel layout. So let's layout, flow layout, move layout, not layout, flow. Anyway, the panel flow layout. We need to make it more pretty. I'm not sure if I should make a new flow layout outside to test it easier, or should I just try to finish everything at once. Um, we had a few issues. One of them is I need to try to add a new line, and I searched for that, and it seems you can do something like this. So let's give it a try. So I start the timer and the chat is, I'm going to get it a little bit up. Let me adjust the second screen so I can see what the heck is going on. I need to see. Yeah, the upload speed is low because I'm sharing the internet with two more people, and the YouTube is not happy with my output level, but the stream is bad, but the video after it encoded it get much better. So if you watch the stream, it will be horrible. Can I fucking focus on this? Yes. So in the code, we will try to add a label every time to tell what the hell is this, and then break a new line. Because I'm going to add a label for each freaking one of these, better to add it outside and change the label inside to reduce the amount of code. So let me think for a second. We add them to 3WB, we clear it at here, we adjust it with every while. So label term label equal to new label form. It's kind of weird, the whole code is weird. No, flow. I don't get it. What is flow? It's not a keyword. Is it TWB itself? Set flow break. Oh yeah, it is the panel. Um, term label 2. Fucking I said 2. I don't know if I need to add it before or after. Let me see what he says. After adding, okay. TWB control and now we can change it based on these guys. So in this case we say caption. There's no caption, there's text. Another thing is we need to change the TC1 show. Data source show. I need to figure out. I believe I closed the example. Let me play some music so they have another copyright on my video. C# data binding. Combo box data binding. I opened a page before that showed very good examples. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, there's some progress in my videos views. 3 days ago, the Part 1 video had 6 seconds of watching, and I was like, oh wow, someone watched my video for 6 seconds. The second one for 52 seconds. And yesterday, it was the biggest boom ever. Someone watched my video for 6 minutes and a half. Damn. But that person, if it was alive or not alive, I would like to show my appreciation and say thank you, anonymously. Thank you, Mr. Anonymous, whoever watched the video for 6 minutes and a half. I really, 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 truly, 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 really, really, truly, 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 really appreciate it. Display member. But wait, what does display member mean now? Is it like the index? This is almost look like a sequel or something. Almost, I said. The thing is, I don't have data view. I have classes and a dictionary actually. Okay. Let's search for the data binding with dictionary. He's using XML. I don't care about XML, dang it. I believe I did this already somewhere, but I forgot where. That's the problem. I could go back and check. Oh, so look! Just like that. Really? Let's take a look. Let's try to fill TC2. The problem is we don't know who is TC2, but there's a way. I'm thinking to use a tag and make a linear search every time. Kinda tedious, but how long will the macros be? 200 terms? 400 terms? So most of my macros won't go bigger than 20 terms. Unless if I'm using excessive effect. It might go over if I exaggerate 50 terms. Leader 30, 50 turns won't be that bad, even if it is n by n. Um, um, unless if I save these guys in the dictionaries, but if I save these values in dictionaries, I will need keys. So instead of the maybe okay. Maybe I can keep a dictionary aside as a reference to these guys. Not the real controls, just a reference. So it could, it's possible. I already have one as a list, and here the question would be, do you want another dictionary or do you need to keep this as a dictionary? So here, these guys will be mixed match of everything from the lines and labels and everything. So this one will be a mess. So I will just make a side one to keep references that I need. So here, public dictionary string. My I in the keyword isn't working well. Control. Control AR. So here, this is the interesting part. We don't need names anymore. This is like playing, you know. TC1 tag is equal to the key of TC2. So the key must be unique. So fuck me, take the toker CP CCAR count CC AR add TC1 tag TC2. So here I know the sender. So we have a reference. We need a reference or pointer. So now we can point to TC2 in here. If the code works. Give me a second. Now we can fill it up with the tokens of this conversation. CC conversation dictionary TCB text. I forgot to do something. If fuck me. Yeah, if fuck me. If TCB selected index is less or equal -1, then okay. Dictionary. This is where all the talkers we can find them. So for each string talker in this TCB items, no, not TCB, BCP items add DKK. No, this is not the dictionary. And here BCP items clear. So this should populate. Let's try to finish the integers as well. So the integers we need to I wonder no, not you. Please break. Give me a break. I wonder if I can add more info than just an integer. Excuse me. Actually, in the integer case, we don't need a new line. I never tried. Where was it? Mask text look? Message queue. This one. Can I force it to have only numbers? Because I have tons of events to control if I can put numbers or not in the text box in the whole program, especially in the create game forum. So let's see if I can do this. Oh, I can even have decimal places. Very neat. It has a maximum. It has an increment. So let's try it. Oh wow! It protects itself from characters. Can I have negative? Damn! Why nobody told me about it before? Do you know how much effort did I put? Let me show you the mess I have. This guy. Do I dare to show the code? $6,700 lines. At the beginning we have value updates and value check regions to check if the values have numbers or not, byte, float, negative. I made certain functions to check these out and to remove the values and put zeros, and every time I add a text box that requires to check the numbers, I do that again. I add them to the list, and gee, I could replace them with this sucker. Oh well, live and learn. I will use it. What's called up and down? Numerical up and down. I might do the same trick to get the values to be part of the script formula by adding a new frickin' dictionary for that. But let's do that slowly. Don't let me use a function. Or print a paper with the values and stick it on a wall. This is fucking C again. I don't care about C. The funny thing is, I have a table in my lecture. But let me go and open it. Why does Google hate C Sharp? It always shows C and C++. Even though I write C fucking sharp. What's wrong with C sharp? Come on. I hate this shit. Oh. I mean, maybe it shows when I write C fucking sharp word. You need to calm down. Why Java point have a page for C sharp data types? I wonder if MSDN just showed a crap. Thank you. So, did I have something? Why do you have negative in both sides? It's usually bigger on the negative side, but... That's Java programmers for you. And by the way, it's a joke. Just don't take it from me. Oh yeah, of course. I can do int max value. That will solve the issue. Why didn't I thought about that? Silly fucking you. So we will do exactly the same with float. I wonder if I can point to the case value, but I don't think so. Because we could. What now? Fuck me. I don't know what's wrong with the okay, calm down. It might be a naming convention, but the problem is it's in the case and there's a break. So fuck off. Okay. Oh, there is no break. Didn't I add break? Sometimes I hate you. You know that? Fucking fine. Fucking fine. Just leave me alone. There's a in here. What's wrong with it? So let's take a look on this before I continue anymore. Didn't add a line, and the distance is way too large. At least they're scrollable. I didn't add a keyword, and there should be a talker. Why didn't it add a talker? Wait. Why did I lose the code to add the item? What the hell happened? There should be both of them, like the last time. Take a deep breath. I will get really fucking angry in a few seconds if this doesn't TC1. Actually, do I need the con AR? I might not need control AR anymore if I'm going to make specific dictionaries, and I will just keep cleaning the TWP instead. So what the fuck went wrong? We have two integers and it's supposed to... Oh, wait. I see. Great. This should fix the problem. Why the videos are recording? Dang it. I only to stream. My hard drives are a little bit old. Like I got one of them in 2011 or something. No, actually I moved the data in 2014 or something. They were 5 years old. Anyhow, it's old hard drive and it's not that big. I need to get bigger hard drives, SSD, and clean up my mess. And the video games nowadays take like, for the campaign or whatever, 20 gig and something. Like, holy shit. There you go. But where is the line? There should be a new line after move on. Why that didn't work? No idea why it didn't work. What the hell happened here? At least this one worked. Look at that. But the I got an idea, but I'm not sure if it will work or not. Maybe because of the flow layout? What the hell? No, it is top down. What's the normal? Left to right? Let's try the normal and see. Yeah, I wish if there is easier way to test all of this. Instead of loading the game file, which will load the campaign, some parts of it to check the names and validity, which will make all the objects and stuff because they needed to load them in here for the maps. Loading the maps. Actually, the maps load only when you pick them, but load the names at least. It just, yeah. Figured. Look at that. It's almost beautiful. The spacing is eh. So let's see if there's a way to add space. Okay. There's something called bidding. So let's take another look. Hmm. It's better, but it doesn't look the way I wanted. Like talkers in here, integers shouldn't have any online. Integers shouldn't have any online, so there's a little bit screwed up. And the script keyword is not talker. It should be. Mm, weird. Yeah. What's wrong with weak? The tag is already move I talker. Why didn't it return nothing? No, it returned move I. Of course, something's fucking with me again. Sometimes I don't know what did I do wrong to deserve such thing. Another issue is the flow layout somehow got broken. It was working and now not. Let me remove the bezel and see. Something's fucked up. Did it work perfectly before or just I didn't notice that it was fucked up? Okay, I need to reorder this. And I need mostly to fucking calm down. Mostly. I mean, the day started in a very good way. Why are you so angry? This can get really tiresome sometimes. I just want the things to run smooth and keep on. I don't know if I said this or not, but I was supposed to finish all the cutscenes for the computer space in the last month, and I only finished 130 entries out of 450. This is not good. This is not fucking good. But what to do? Trying my best. So if we go to the event, computer space, 134 out of 449. Not good enough. Not even half. Anyway, that's why I'm wasting a week building this, trying to save time in the future, and hopefully I could hire people to deal with it. No, it was broken. I mean, here is fine, but the move I for some reason magically disappeared. Here is fine. And here is start to scoot up. So wanna rest my head for 10 minutes, to be honest. And I would like to take a walk or something after the 10 minutes, so yeah, it will be a long break. Maybe I will get in better shape. I was planning to relax before I start working, but it got completely destroyed and cancelled. Just my freaking luck. Unfortunately, I cannot pause the streaming or pause the video. I couldn't find any program that do that feature, and it seems because of the encoding, you cannot just pause and resume because the encoding issue. There is a program that can record and pause, but it has tons of issues and it wasn't ready and it wasn't. The feature was like postponed. It got suspended because of encoding issues. If I had a program that record on the screen and you can pause, I would use it and upload the videos to YouTube after I finish. I don't want to edit them every time and screw with the encoding and then make a video of 13 minutes for worth 7 GB for some reason. I don't understand how to deal with it. It needs some time and I have other plans to do in the time I have available. Now, I have a lot in my head, don't I? Can I just cancel today and don't work? Nope. You must work at least 3 hours. Shut up and do it. So what do I need to do after this? I need to find a way why the fucking keyword doesn't show. And try to fix the inters. It seems they are not working as I intended because I cancelled the Maybe if I assign the flow, I cannot take it back. Maybe that's the reason. I got an idea to debug what the fudge is going on with the code. So in here, let me just before I do that, let me check in here and I might remove this one and add it here and see the result. I really don't want to duplicate everything every time, but we will see. So this is what I'm going to do. And here, yeah, I have worked for like 3 hours cleaning the house. That's why I feel I already finished working, because I put some efforts in the showers this time. Well, I put some yesterday, but it wasn't this tense. Definitely. I feel a little bit tired, not that physically, not that mentally, but a little bit drained and a little bit physically. No, still acting the same fucking way. This is what kills me. This is what kills me sometimes. Like, why? Yeah, why? You think the size screwed up? Auto eclipse what? Auto what the fuck? No. Auto eclipse, not auto eclipse. Once again, you need to test it like this. Once again, you need to wait. Once again, you need to load the map. Once again, you need to pick the campaign. Once fucking again, you need to open the macro. Once again, you need to load the file. Once again, you need to pick the folder. And one fucking again, need to pick this thing. And one again, it just, yep. It was not auto size. But it exactly stopped up to the script word, which makes it suspicious. And once again, you hate my ear life. You just, hey, fucking A. Fucking A. Alright, so let's take an official break. Let's switch the timers. Next, I need to figure out what the fudge is wrong with this. I said I'm taking a break, let's just leave. I might search for it. One hour. Work at least 1 hour, and if you can, make it 2 more hours, so you can score 3 hours, will ya? Please. You want to finish your work, don't you? I mean, come on. Talk to yourself. You want to finish your work, right? No. You want to finish your work, right? Actually, no. What will take you to say fucking yes? You wanna work? No. Do you wanna work? No. Do you want to work? Does he look like... Does he look like a bitch? Yeah. Question of the year. Do I look like a bitch? Yes. Why? Because you don't work. Oh. Maybe people would watch more of me complaining about work than working itself. So maybe I should edit the videos and leave only the complaining parts, and I will become famous. Not really. Maybe I should watch pop culture just because of that sentence. Just because what he said, does he look like a bitch? He made me laugh so hard. Was that the best way to identify him? Come on. I will be lucky if I can put another hour with this date. I feel like I'm flailing a little bit, but yesterday I was flailing and I finished 3 hours somehow in a miraculous way. I have to keep doing that. Shut up, someone. Alright, the net users are complaining, it's lagging, and they want their stream back, so sorry. These videos nobody watch anyway, so I will try to keep work for an hour. We'll see. Thank you for watching, and see you next